Now, before we dive into the topic of the day, I want you to do me a favor and answer this question honestly. Now, you can see right now on the screen, there is this statement you are seeing right now. Let's say I asked you to actually read this text right here on the screen, read it out loud and record yourself. Now, after you do the recording, I ask you to send me that recording and I'll pay you $10 for it. Just to read this short sentence and I'll pay you $10 for it. Would you actually do it? I believe most of us would actually do it without hesitation. Now, let's say, okay, what if I said I'll pay you $1 to read this sentence? Would you actually still do the job? This is a very short sentence. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you websites that are actually willing to pay you up to $3,000 to read a few sentences here and there. Now, of course, you won't be reading a 3-word sentence like this one to make $3,000, but all you have to understand is that you will be talking into a microphone and you will be required to actually record yourself, and when you record yourself, you can earn up to $3,000 talking into a mic. Now, this skill in the online world is what we call voice over acting. So basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online by becoming a voice over actor. Now, don't worry, you don't need any fancy equipment and this can be done from anywhere in the world. Now, the only thing that is required from you is the ability to actually talk into a microphone. And the good thing about this job is that most of the times you will be given what you are supposed to talk about as you record yourself. For example, when you look over here at the screen, voiceover categories, there are a lot of voiceover categories, but some of the highlighted ones, for example, you have radio and TV commercial voiceovers. I'm sure most of us, you've seen those voiceovers where you have an advertisement on your TV and someone is talking, you can't see them, all you are hearing is their voice. So as a voiceover, you don't need to worry about you appearing in any video. It has nothing to do with that. So you can create voiceovers for maybe courses, you can create voiceovers for telephone recordings. For example, I'm sure most of us will know whereby when someone is unreachable by phone, you get a voice recording, maybe saying leave a message and the like. That is a voiceover. So I believe almost everyone can do that. So initially, with a voiceover job, you can actually make up to $3,000, and I'm going to show you, don't worry, I'm going to show you why I'm claiming you can make up to $3,000 online. So now let's just look at this one. According to ZipRecruiter, a voiceover artist earns around $48 per hour in the United States, and as of July 29th, 2024, the average hourly pay for a voice actor in the United States is $48.17 an hour. So you can see there's potential for this. Now, don't worry, if let's say you are not in the United States, you can still do jobs for people who are in the United States and they'll still pay you this same $48 an how. Now, when you turn over to the screen right now, let me show you. This is one of the sites I'm going to show you where you can actually get started as a voiceover artist. Actually, it's the first site I'm going to show you. Now, just look at here. This is the latest job post that was posted, and this is August 2024, and this site has been in existence for a very long time. Now you can see, look at what this person is willing to pay. They're willing to pay $3,453 for the voiceover job, and you can see there's another one also willing to pay $3,825. There's another one $2,000. There's another one for $225. Another one for $225. And like I've already mentioned, the only requirement is that you are able to speak into a microphone and you are able to record it. So the first website that you can actually use to become a voice actor is known as the Voice Realm. Now, the Voice Realm has been in existence for a long time, and the Voice Realm is actually a website where people come to hire voice actors to do a job. Now, big companies come here and they hire people to actually maybe do a TV commercial and the likes, and they'll pay you through the Voice Realm. Now, the Voice Realm also hires voice actors. So you can see right here, they're saying I'm a voice actor, and when you click it right here, when you click when I'm a voice actor, the Voice Realm will give you an opportunity to actually sign up as a voice actor. And when you come here, you can see here they're saying voiceover work, auditions and jobs online. There are a lot of them on the voicerealm.com. Now, what is required with a Voice Realm is that you have a proper microphone. Now, it doesn't matter which brand you are using, as long as the microphone, you are able to record yourself good quality audio, you can actually make money with them. So if you have a microphone that is able to record good quality audio and you are able to actually edit that audio, that is good enough. So the only requirements with the Voice Realm is that when you have a good microphone where you're able to talk into the microphone and record yourself, you just need to create a demo sample. And when you come here, you can see right here where you just need to fill in your details. So you have to enter your first name, your last name, your email address. You enter your email address. If you have a personal website, you can put it there. Then here where it says native language, you have to choose the language that is applicable to you. Now, depending on where you are, it doesn't matter as long as you are able to use these languages. So you can see the languages that are available in the voice room, almost all languages. So you can see Spanish, Slovenian, English, and the Chinese and the like. So a lot of people come here. It's not always that a voice actor just have to speak English. So you can choose North American English, British English, Australian, and the like. So once you choose that language, you will be required to fill out all these details, but you will also be required to submit a demo voice over. What will happen is that you just need to record yourself talking into a microphone, and once you do that, you have to submit to the voice realm. Now when they find that your voice is good and clean, you will actually be recruited to the voice realm, and you will have the ability to apply for these jobs that are right here, and you can actually be making 3,453. And you can just think about it, this is only one job, and this person is actually looking for an Italian between the age of 18 to 29. If you are in that range, you can actually apply. Here someone is looking for a female who is able to speak English, North American, and if they'll pay you 2,725. You can see there's a lot of jobs right here. So just come over to the voice room and apply to become a voiceover artist. So the second site where you can actually make money as a voiceover artist is actually known as voices.com. Now voices.com is more of a freelancing marketplace. Now here what will happen is that people come and hire voice actors. Now you will become a freelancer on voices.com. So voices.com only get a percentage after you get hired, and on this one you can do various jobs as a voice actor. You can do either an online ad, a video narration, an animation voiceover. You can read audio books, a radio ad, television ad, and the likes. So you can see here, all you have to do to get started with Voices is just to click on find work right here, or you can just simply click on sign up, and you will be given an option to actually sign up as a voice actor. So it's very simple, and this site is a very good site to actually get paid as a voice actor. Then the third site is known as Bunny Studio. Now Bunny Studio also hires people to do voiceovers, because they also sell these voiceovers or voices to people out there. So people come here to also hire voice actors, and all you have to do is simply sign up to this website, and they'll actually pay you to become a voice actor. Then the fourth site is known as ACX. Now ACX is a website owned by Amazon. For those of you that don't know, this is Amazon audiobook publishing company. Now here you can actually publish books using audio. However, you can also sign up as a voice actor using ACX. Now basically with ACX, it's more of you being a freelancer than someone who is employed by ACX. You work on your own terms, and you also get to apply to different jobs that are online. So you can actually sign up to ACX and become a voiceover actor on ACX. Now the other site, which maybe is the last website I'm going to share with you in this video, is known as Find a Way Voices by Spotify. Now Spotify owns this website, and you can actually publish audiobooks here. Now unlike the others that I've shared with you, where you can actually do voiceovers and actually get paid to do voiceovers for others, with Voices here you are supposed to actually create your own voice content. Let's say for example, you can create your own audiobook, and when you publish it by Voices will publish it on Spotify, and when people on Spotify who are premium users actually read or listen to that voiceover book or audio book, you get paid 100% of the profit. But if they listen to it elsewhere, they will pay you 80% of the profit. So voiceover acting is actually a very good opportunity for you to make money online. So simply go right ahead, check out these sites, apply to these sites, and start making money as a voiceover actor. Thank you very much for watching. If this video is helpful or informative, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.